How to add product filtering in Shopify for beginners. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add product filtering for your Shopify store. So if someone opens up your store like this and they are browsing your product, they should have the ability to filter through these products by using different categories and choosing to filter out based upon things like color, availability, price, and more. So let's get started. Now, the way that you're going to do this is first by creating different segregations of products, and then we're going to move towards product filtering. To create different segregations of products, click on Products on the left. Once you do that, you can click on Collections. Under Collections, you want to create different collections for different types of products. Now, I have some really specific collections, which I'm going to remove like this, and I'm going to only keep the broad collections such as lip product or face products. Now in this, I have 2 products each. This will allow me to have simple filtration systems. Now, if you have more products and you are selling a bunch of different types of items, you're definitely going to create more collections. For example, a way that I can break down my collections if I want my products to be halved is within face, I can create 2 subcategories, either eye products and then face products. So I can click on create collection, and this is going to be eyeshadows like this. And then I'm going to manually add the product that belongs over here. And then I will click on save. Then I can create another collection, and then the other one is going to be called blushes. And I'm going to select the product that belongs in blushes like this. Now, manually adding products, if you already have hundreds of products added in Shopify, can be really difficult. So to make this easier, you can go into collections, and when you create a new collection, you can choose the collection type to be smart. Then you can add a tag. And the tag could be the product name or the category or the collection name. So if I'm building a separate category for blushes, the tag would be blushes. And then after that, all you have to do is you can bulk edit your Shopify products, and you can open up the particular product like this. And on the right, you can add the particular tag. So I want to add the tag called blushes in this particular product. And if you're doing this in bulk, all you have to do is click on products, select all your products, and click on bulk edit. Once you click on bulk edit over here, you will see once you scroll ahead like this, you have cosmetic finish and all of these options, and you can add the tags as well. Now you will also see the product categorization. So make sure that everything is categorized. I'm going to categorize this as eyeshadow, and then we have lipsticks, blushes, and bronzers, and then again, this is going to fall under lipsticks like this. And once we've done that, I'm going to go back, and it's time to add filters for our Shopify store. To do this, simply click on Applications on the left, and then click on Apps and Sales Channels. Open up the Shopify App Store. Once you open up the Shopify App Store, you're going to search for the Search and Discovery application. Once you do that, you will see this particular application. This is an application created by Shopify. So you're simply going to click on this, and once you click on this, you're going to click on Install. Once you click on Install over here, you will see the application on the left. Now we're going to pin this to make it easier for us to access as well. Now, once you've done that, you're going to see the ability to create different types of customized filters. So click on Filters on the left, and we have 2 standard filters, such as price and availability added. Now I'm going to click on Add Filter, and I can select a source. The source of your categorization could really be anything. So I can make the source the collection or the category of the product. Now in this, I want to add the category as our filter. And now people can filter out products based upon whether they are eyeshadows, blushes, or lipsticks. Then click on Save. These values are derived from categories, so the categories or collections we created. However, you can also alter these filters. Over here, you can see the option for you to search for the values of every filter. For example, if I want to add liquid lipstick, you can see it does not have that particular value. So I can go back into the categorization and add that as a value. Now to add more filters, I can click on filter and we can also add different filters like brand, clothing or accessory material, color, finishes, effects, makeup features, and other types of filters. Now I'm going to add more filters and you can add a and or condition. It includes products that match at least one of the buyer selection, that match all of the buyer selection. So I want to add these manually and I want them to be based upon lip product. So you can add different filters like this as well. You can make these based upon things like different collections. If you have summer collections, winter collections, or if you have exclusive drops like that, you can set those up customized and you can build individual filters for collections as well. Now, you can also filter them out by product type. So whether it's all of my products are makeup products, so it's only showing me one particular value for product type. However, you can select these, you can create a group, and you can add another value. Now, in makeup, I want to maybe add something like face products, and then I can click on face or blushes, something like that. But it's not allowing me to create that value. In makeup, we are going to add this, add clothing, you can add different types of filters as well. Now I am going to leave at the 4 basic filters, and I think this, because of the limitation of products, I don't have a lot of options, but I'm going to add matte and I'm going to manage the values and I'm going to manage the cosmetic finish and I'm going to create another value here, which is going to be shimmer, and then I'm going to add this. For some reason, it does not have the availability for any of my metafields. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go into home, click on settings on the bottom left, scroll down, click on custom data. In my custom data, I have my object metafields. In this, I have my cosmetic finishes, and in that, I have one entry. So I will click on add entry, and I will add the second value as shimmer. And now by default, it will show the different finishes that I have. And now if I go back into search and discovery, it will display the second type of filter or the second type of finish that I have. So now if I add cosmetic finish and you have shimmer and matte like this, and then I can click on save. Now, once I have done that, you can see I can also choose product recommendations. Then I also have settings if I want to show any empty values, out of stock products, and more. And now if I open up my Shopify store like this, I will have different types of filters that I can actually view. So if I go into one category, you can see in stock, price, category, as well as different types of cosmetic finishes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video.